Science and Technology Part 2, Chapter 3, Life Processes in Living Organisms Part 2. Sexual reproduction in human being. Men have XY sex chromosomes and women have XX sex chromosomes. Reproductive system with specific organs develop in the body of men and women due to these sex chromosomes only. X chromosome is present in men and women, whereas Y chromosome is present in men only. Now we shall study the structure and function of human reproductive system. Human male reproductive system. The male reproductive system of human consists of testes, various ducts and glands. Testes are present in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules. Germinal epithelium present in the tubules divide by meiosis to produce sperms. Those sperms are sent forward through various tubules. Sequence of those tubules is rete testis, vas efferens, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urinogenital duct. As the sperms are pushed forward from one duct to next, they become mature and able to fertilize the ovum. Seminal vesicles secrete their secretion in ejaculatory ducts, whereas prostate gland and Cowper's glands secrete their secretions in urinogenital duct. Semen is formed of sperms and secretions of all these glands. Semen is ejaculated out through the penis. All the organs of male reproductive system are paired except the urinogenital duct, prostate gland, penis and scrotum. There is a surprising fact: the length of each epididymis is about 6 meters. The length of a sperm is about just 60 micrometers. Sperms need a large amount of energy for ejaculation. For this purpose, fructose is present in the semen. Human female reproductive system. All organs of female reproductive system are in the abdominal cavity. It includes a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, single uterus and a vagina. Besides, a pair of bulbourethral gland is also present. Generally, every month an ovum is released in the abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. Free end of oviduct is funnel-like. An opening is present at the center of it. Oocytes enter the oviduct through the opening. Cilia are present on inner surface of oviduct. These cilia push the oocyte towards the uterus. Gamete formation. Both gametes, that is sperm and ovum, are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes of men from beginning of maturation, that is puberty, till death. However, in case of women, at the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. An oocyte matures and and is released from ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause, approximately 45 years of age. Menopause. Menopause is the stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. At the age of about 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormones controlling the function of female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular. This causes the menopause. Here in this picture of spermatogenesis, you can see a diploid germ cells divides by meiosis into haploid germ cells. Then the haploid germ cells divides by meiosis 2 into the haploid sperm cells. Okay. Fertilization. Formation of zygote by the union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Fertilization is internal in human. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation. Sperms in the number of few millions start their journey by the route of vagina, uterus to oviduct. One of those few million sperms fertilize the only ovum present in the oviduct. From the age of puberty up to the menopause, an ovum is released every month from the ovary. Out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. Remaining oocytes undergo degeneration. Both the sperms and oocytes are produced by meiosis. In case of sperm, process of meiotic division is completed before the sperms leave the male reproductive tract. However, in case of oocytes, process of meiotic division completes after ovulation during fertilization in the oviduct. Down syndrome. 21. Trisomy. Down syndrome is a chromosomal disorder that includes a combination of birth defects, including some degree of mental retardation, characteristic facial features, and often heart defects and other health problems. The severity of these problems varies greatly among affected individuals. What are the causes of Down syndrome? Down syndrome is caused by the presence of extra genetic material from chromosome 21. Chromosomes are the cell structures containing the genes. Normally, each person has 23 pair of chromosomes or 46 in total. In normal situations, the union of egg and sperm results in a fertilized egg with 46 chromosomes. Sometimes something goes wrong before fertilization. An egg or sperm development can be divided incorrectly and produce an egg or sperm with an extra chromosome 21. When sperm meets an egg, the resulting embryo has 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Thus, Down syndrome is called trisomy 21 because affected individuals have 3 chromosomes 21 instead of 2. Oocytes released from ovaries during last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years old. Their ability of division has been diminished till now. Due to this, they cannot complete meiotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborns produced from them may be with some abnormalities like Down's syndrome. Sex determination in human being. The chromosome number in germ cells producing the gametes are diploid, that is 2n. It includes 22 pair of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes, that is 44 plus XX in case of a female or 44 plus XY in case of a male. These germ cells divide by meiosis. Due to this, gametes contain only haploid number of chromosomes. In case of female, only one type as 22 plus X, whereas in case of male, two types of sperms are produced, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. The recombination of these haploid gametes result in the formation of zygote. So, the girl child will be 44 plus XX and the boy child will be 44 plus XY. A man is totally responsible whether the couple will have a boy or a girl child. At the time of fertilization, if X chromosome comes from male, the child will be a girl. If Y chromosomes come from male, then the child will be a boy. Development and birth. The zygote formed after fertilization in the oviduct undergoes repeated mitotic divisions and embryo is formed. Meanwhile, it is pushed towards uterus. Once it reaches the uterus, it is implanted and further development occurs after implantation. An organ called as placenta is formed for supply of food material during the growth in uterus. Embryonic development is completed approximately within 9 months after the fertilization.